Tab 19, and today we're going to be doing a video on grilled drumsticks. We're going to do an inside, but we're going to be using our George Foreman grill. So right here in the bowl, we've already pre-cleaned our chicken, and over here we have our seasonings, which will be listed below in the description box. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start to do is go ahead and add in a tablespoon of canola oil, which will add a little extra moisture to our chicken. And also, if you notice, we cut slits in the chicken, that way that they will cook evenly, because these are some big drumsticks. So we're going to go ahead and add in our seasonings next. Okay, and start mixing. And what you want to do is make sure all the seasonings are well incorporated throughout the meat. And we'll be back. Okay, so after mixing in all the seasonings, this is how your chicken should look. And if you want to, you can marinate it, let it marinate for at least 2 hours or a day overnight. But we're in a rush, so we're gonna go ahead and throw ours on the grill. Be right back. Okay, so here's our raggedy George Foreman, but it gets the job done and it cooks the chicken perfectly. That's all that matters, right? So we have our temperature set at 250 degrees. That's the perfect temperature that we want to cook our chicken on. So, and I've already pre-based the grill with a little bit of canola oil. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the chicken on the grill. Ooh, sizzling already. Ooh, be careful. Okay, folks, now it has been 30 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and flip over our grilled chicken. Oh my goodness. Smells so delicious. We're gonna go ahead. Oh, look at that sit on there. Of course it's sticky. Like I said, we put oil in here. It's okay. It's still gonna be delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and flip those and let them cook another 30 minutes. And then we'll be back.